Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you see, we're back here in the room. Today we're gonna be doing a unboxing and kind of a breakdown, something different. As y'all saw by the title, this is from Shoe Carnival. I hadn't been there in years. Actually, I went in because we were killing time, and I was like, hey, like, do you think they still have the basketball? And they did, but then I saw these and I needed some white casuals, and actually I didn't need them. Just like every other pair I have, I didn't need. I wanted them, but I lied to myself that I need. So here we have some Stacy Adams, very old school brand. But what we have here is, let me read you the model, is the Stacy's Synchro, and we have, pull out the shoes. This is kind of like a golf shoe. That's what it reminds me of. It's an all white with tan and midsole with brown stitching on the shoe. Really nice. All the upper is leather. So those that know, like, Stacy Adams makes good leather shoes. It has the pull strap here, and then on the inside it has like kind of like an infrared color. But mainly, like I said, I wanted some casuals that I can wear with some like slacks or some jeans, you know, to go out. And there's a couple brunch places I want to try out here in my local city that more than likely you'll see pictures of on Instagram, but be ready for the casual fits. So honestly, this shoe was on sale. It was like a 60% or 50% off. I can't remember how much I really paid for because it's been a minute. They've been just sitting here. But got the casuals. I'll be pulling this out, like I said, for brunches. You know, something light. And like I said, the leather, great leather, very soft leather. The laces kind of reminds me like a Sperry lace. Has kind of just like, you don't tie them, you just slip ons kind of. And it says right here on the hang tag, it says the red zone, the comfort inside. So apparently, like, they have extra cushioning on the inside, which is good for you're standing for a long time. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this type of videos, like changing it up from the sneaker culture, because, you know, we all need casuals in our lives. So guys, thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you on the next one.